So last week I was in Honolulu and we were staying at the Hyatt Regency, and next to our hotel we found this food truck. It's a Korean food truck. They have several variety. They have instant noodle, but their instant noodle have a little twist to it. It is instant noodle, but their soup was so flavorful. This one is the spicy one with some cabbage in it. It was so delicious. And for you non-spicy eaters, this noodle's for you right here. So the second portion that I got was the rice and shrimp. Man, the portion is huge. The salad was good. I love it. And we got the barbecue short ribs. So let's get digging. I start out with the noodles. And I tell you what, like I say earlier, this noodle was so flavorful. I love it. And I love the fact that it was right next to my hotel. It was so good. And what I love about it is reasonable price. The portion was huge. And when I got to the rice, man, that shrimp, I love eating food with sauce. And that short ribs right there, y'all, it was nice and tender. This is in Waikiki, y'all. So if you guys are ever around, this place, they open late too. So when I get the munchies at midnight, I just walk out, get myself some food. Highly recommended, y'all. Good atmosphere, good service.